Alright everybody, I went to ShopRite yesterday. I'm sorry it's 2:34. I'm going to do a quick stream, but before I do it, guess what I have? That's right. The Avengers 5 bouncing balls. High bouncers 5-pack. I got it at ShopRite. Let's open this up. Marvel and Avengers. Alright, so let's see how it works. Big bounce. Big bounce, big bounce, big bounce, big bounce. Alright, let's play it. Although we're too early. Let's hit like a wall. This is what it looks like. Here's Iron Man. Here's Hulk. Ow. Here's, I don't know whose character from Marvel is, but tell me in the comments. This is worse, even hitting tomatoes like Ella from, which is my OC Gacha Life. Obsessed with them. Fruits and vegetables. Here's another one. Oh. Last but not least, Captain America. Let's do it slow motion. Here we go. Everybody up. Oh, oops, wrong cam. Alright. I only have 4 balls. I lost the other one when I was bouncing so hard. What do you think? Yes. Alright, hope you like this toy review of the Marvel and DC bouncy balls. Alright, that's it. Bye. Have a good night, everybody.